Hello everyone, I am back another camera compare video. Today video about is Vivo Y15 and Nokia 7 Plus camera compare. So let's start the video. Nokia 7 Plus main dual camera. First one 12 megapixel 1.8 aperture and second 13 megapixel 2.6 aperture 2x optical zoom. On the other hand, Vivo Y15 triple camera phone. First one 13 megapixel 2.2 aperture and 8 megapixel 2.2 aperture ultra wide and 2 megapixel 2.4 aperture depth sensor. Vivo Y17 have a ultra wide camera. Nokia 7 Plus don't have a ultra wide camera. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and see you next time. Allah Hafiz.